guys. Now inspection we still there like this, so you don't see and finish now. You don't see me finish. Now inside bush I dey the waka since. But the good thing be say this bush na money bush. That be the bush where be say na only shit that they go shit for there. Now money bush we there like this, so and right now inside New Banana Highland we there for Bessie Estate. Yes, because New Banana Highland get plenty estates inside. We get Mary Estate that is already sold out. We have Joseph Estate that is just remaining few plots in it, and then we have Bessie Estate. We have Tom Estate that is currently 10 million naira because it's directly opposite the major road, in front of the major road. And we also have Dorcas Estate, Wilfred Estate. The estate plenty woto like this. So all you need to do if you want get plot for any of this estate now to call Madam Good News, aka Madam Peku, on 090342965119, so that you go get your own plot of New Banana Island. You don't understand me, so I dey wait for you, and you can visit us at our office at number 181 Peter Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. This New Banana Island is located just off Peter Odili Road, and it has so many link road. That New Banana Island, you can link it to East West Road, you can link it to Refinery in Eleme Junction, you can link it to Woji, you can link it to Elele 1 to Akpajo, to plenty place. Take a look at this place. Oh, it's so beautiful. New Banana Island, all the way from Mercy Homes and Properties, and na Peku Africa bring am for you, aka Madam Peku, the real estate consultant for Peku Real Estate Consultancy. And they wait for you. And remember that the number to call is 090342965119. Oh.